China just confirmed it. Their massive solar panel projects in the desert are changing the environment forever. This isn't just about clean energy anymore. China's strategy to cover vast desert regions with solar panels has triggered a transformation that scientists say is now irreversible. And the consequences are far more complex than anyone expected. For years we've known China was investing heavily in solar. But now, satellite images and research confirm what's really happening. Entire desert ecosystems are being reshaped, physically and biologically, by these mega solar farms. So what's going on out there? By placing solar panels across deserts like the Gobi and Tenggara, China has not only created massive clean energy hubs, they've also changed how sunlight is absorbed, how air moves, and even how plants grow. In short, the deserts are no longer behaving like deserts. And now's a great time to hit subscribe and tap that notification bell if you want more jaw-dropping stories about the real-world impact of science, energy, and human innovation. We've got more like this coming your way. Researchers observed that these solar panels, due to their dark surfaces, absorb more heat than sand, which raises the surface temperature during the day, but then slows cooling at night. That shift has led to more moisture in the air, less wind erosion, and even the growth of new vegetation in formerly barren regions. Sounds like a win for the environment, right? Not so fast. Experts warn that these shifts could disrupt fragile desert ecosystems. Native plants and animals, uniquely adapted to dry, harsh conditions, are being replaced by new species that thrive in the altered microclimate. That could lead to biodiversity loss, soil changes, and even long-term ecological imbalance. What's even more surprising is that these changes are happening fast. What began as an energy solution is now evolving into a force of climate engineering, intentional or not. China is leading the clean energy race, but it's also pioneering something much bigger, terraforming landscapes at a national scale. Is this the future of green energy, or the beginning of an entirely new environmental dilemma? For the full breakdown of what's happening, how scientists discovered it, and what it could mean for the planet, check the link in the first pinned comment.